In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar language. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your calendar's buttons, menus, and dates appear in the language you prefer. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. This will take you to Google Calendar on desktop. Everything we're doing today happens right on this page, and it works the same whether you're using a personal account or a work account, as long as you have access to Calendar. Once your calendar view loads, look toward the top right corner for the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings icon. Click it to open the quick settings panel. From that panel, select the full settings option. This opens a dedicated settings page where we can make changes that affect how your calendar looks and behaves. On the settings page, you'll see a menu running down the left side. In that menu, find the section related to general preferences. Inside that section, there's an option for language, sometimes labeled language and region. Click that to open your language controls. This is the place where Google Calendar decides which language to use for buttons, menus, weekdays, and other interface text. Now choose your preferred language from the list. You can scroll through the options or start typing the name of the language to jump directly to it. If your language has regional variants like different forms of English or Spanish, pick the one that matches the wording and date formats you expect. As soon as you select a language, Calendar will apply the change. The interface may refresh, and you should immediately see the menus, labels, and navigation reflect your new choice. A couple of tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page. Changing your language won't alter your events themselves. It only changes how the interface and date formats are displayed. If you ever pick the wrong language by mistake, don't worry. The settings layout stays in the same place, so you can return to the same language section and switch back. Also, if you manage multiple calendars, the language setting applies to the interface for your account, not individual calendars. That's all you need to do. Go to calendar.google.com, open the settings via the gear icon, head to the language section, and select the language you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Google Calendar in the language that feels most natural to you.